Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of our Brewery Farm Life. So from our last episode of our Brewery Farm Life, you'll remember if you watched it. If you didn't, you have to go back and watch it. I had mentioned that David had left me. I just loaded up Kristen for the market in London, to take beer down to the market in London. And I am on my way out to let the animals out of the barn. David has left me. Truth be told, he had just gone snowmobiling up north for a week with my brother-in-law and my nephew and had a blast. He had an amazing time. And so I wanted to make a video specifically about that. Now, David doesn't go away very often by himself. We don't actually go far without each other. So this was a bit of a shocker to me, and it was, I'm sure, a relief for him to get away from here and from me for a short period of time. So he was gone for a week and had an amazing time snowmobiling way up north. I believe they went to Cochrane, maybe even past that, and I'm Fetterfield, I want to say. So if you're familiar with that area, I apologize if I get this wrong, but I believe they went as far as you can drive north, and then they snowmobiled even further north in Ontario, and had an amazing time. Again, they were on some different style of snowmobiles. Came back with a few broken ribs, but he's completely fine now, and that was minor compared to the blast that he had. Right after he got back, I managed to get away with my friend Kate, and we went to Blue Mountain for a few days just to kind of rest and relax and have some time to ourselves before the crazy season begins again. We were just getting ready to reopen and at a larger capacity, like more time, and I just needed a break. And so we took off to Blue Mountain for 3 days. Went to some wineries, to a few breweries, and more spent time just chatting, having girl time, and having some lovely dinners out, spending some time in a hot tub, which was so amazing, and just watching everyone enjoy themselves on the hills. Do I ski? Absolutely no, I don't. But it doesn't mean, just because you don't ski doesn't mean you can't enjoy Blue Mountain Village. So back to David snowmobiling. David had a blast, and I just wanted to show you some footage of him just goofing around and doing what David likes to do, and that's anything that involves adrenaline. So here you go, guys.
Did you?
I got hung up on a tree.
We were playing and he's like, we should putt that way. We haven't seen Johnny.
You got hung up? I got hung up on a tree. I should have plowed right through it, but it was just pin and wiggle.
No problem?
No
Nothing
problem.
damaged?
No. No, I was going pretty slow. Switched it up, eh?
Yeah, we need to night and day.
Night and day, eh?
Yeah.
It's like complete. It's like just responds to your body.
Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
I think driving out farther is a better idea, actually, Dan. What? Along the shores are always the weakest spot.
Jesus Christ, dude.
That's why it's mushy in here, Dan. Get us out in the deep lake. Don't get us stuck. Why are you just idling when we're on a lake?
What do you want me to do?
I'm just kidding. Pin it and wiggle. I'm scared. Why are you scared? What's the worst that can happen?
Well, we could die.
I guess that's a thing, isn't it?
I hear cracking. I'm getting.
I do.
Goodbye, Lake.
I think you need speed up.
Hey, I've watched Ice Rink
But
Truckers.
they say not too much speed. You need the wave to stay with you when you get outside. Hurry up, that four-wheeler wants out. John, you said that guy would have been spinning? Well, there it is. That's a first. We're not quite on shore. We haven't beat the wave yet, though.
I think we're good now.
Stuck on the hill.
plugged, I'm pretty sure.
Oh, for fuck's sake. Oh. That's fun.
Huh?
That's fun.
You got a snarf signal.
Hey?
You got a snarf
I
signal.
believe it. I can't move.
Ugh. Hold it. Put that in your bag.
That's
We'll come back and get it.
the footprint. footprints we're following.
Moose.
Hold that up again, Johnny.
And they're fresh.
Wow. That's sweet.
That's so cool.
Set in the tree so you can see it.
Yeah, that's what I said. Hanging in one of those beech trees there.
So it opens up over there, eh?
Does it?
Yeah.
Okay.
Whoo!
Stopping for lunch. What are you eating, Dan?
Goulash.
Goulash. Hot goulash in 2 feet of snow. 3 feet of snow, probably.
I'm just on a cross. Get some deeper.
Right. Unreal. Backwoods, Northern Ontario.
You guys.
3 feet of snow. I don't think we can set this up there.
You back up?
It won't back up.
No. If I pull it?
Why don't you lay it on its side, on this side, and throttle out this way?
That's what I was doing here.
Yeah, but if John gives you a ski pole on this side, you should come around.
I'll hop on this.
I'll back up a bit.
And we'll just like kind of bump it.
So thanks again for watching. If you like what you saw, make sure you hit the like button, subscribe, and share with your friends. Cheers, and we'll talk to you soon.